Hello everyone, in this video lecture we are going to understand the concept of repetition of year calendar. It means that a year is the same as another year. First of all, we will understand what kind of question comes on this topic. First question, calendar of year 2001. First question, calendar of year 2001 was same as which of the following year? Here, instead of 2001, in examination they can ask different year: 2001, 2004, 1996, 1947. After that, second type of question is, if Amit celebrated his birthday on 1st April 2007, in which year he celebrate his next birthday on same day? There is a one weekday from Sunday to Saturday on 1 April 2007. In question it is asked that on what in what year there is same day on 1 April. So basically these two type of question comes on this topic. We will clear our concept after how many years that year repeats, so that you can solve questions on that concept. Now come to the conceptual part. To find repetition of year calendar, we must know that leap year repeats after 28 years. Leap year repeats after 28 years. Just take the example 1992. 1992 is a leap year. So that after 28 years means 2020. 2020 is a same year as a 1992. What it means? The day on 1st January is the same as the day on 1st January of 2020. After that, the weekday on 31st December 1992 is same as 31st December 2020. If 1st January and 31st December day is same, then the whole complete year is same. So that such type of question can come in examination. Next thing is normal year. In normal year there is a two concept. One is, if year is divided by 4, after dividing year by 4 there would be the remainder in between 0, 1, 2, 3. If remainder is 0, then it is a leap year, and if remainder is 1, then that year will repeat after 6 years. Just take the example 2005. After dividing it by 4, remainder is, after dividing it by 4, remainder is 1. So that 2005 plus 6, that is a 2011. This is also non-leap year, that is normal year, and 2011 is also normal year. So that these two years are same. Next to it is a, if remainder is 2 or 3, after dividing year by 4, if remainder is 2 or 3, then we have to add 11 to get same year. Take example 2006. If you divide 2006 by 4, then we get remainder as 2. So that 2006 plus 11, that is a 2017. So the 2017 year is the same as 2006. There is one homework for you all students, that just look at the day on 1st January 2006 and also look at the day on 1st January 2017, and after that look at the day on 31st December and 31st December 2017. So this one is a concept related with it. Now come back to our question. Question 1, calendar of year 2001 was same as which of the following year? How to solve? Just take 2001. 2001 is leap year? No, it is a normal year. So in case of normal year, we have to divide it by 4. After dividing it by 4, we get remainder as a 1. Remainder as a 1. If remainder is 1, then we have to add just 6 in our given year, so that we will get same year. So that 2007 is same as 2001. Option B. means the day on 1st January 2001 is same as the day on 1st January 2007, and the complete calendar is same. Next question, question number 2. In question number 2, I will just give the year, and here is a same year. Question number 2, just find out the which is the same year as 1992, which is the same year as a 1992. So that first step is to check whether it is a leap year or not. It is a leap year. If it is a leap year, just if it is a leap year, then add 28 in a leap year. So that 1992 plus 28, how much it is? 2020. So that 2020 year is the same as 1992. Means 1992 and 2020 having the same calendar. 1st January to 31st December, the day of the any date is the same of calendar 1992 and 2020. Next question, which of the year is same as 2003? 2003 is a normal year. In the case of normal year, we have to check the condition that after dividing it by 4, remainder is a 3. If remainder is 2 or 3, then we have to add 11. Just add 11 in 2003, we get 2014. So the 2014 is the same as 2003. 2017. Next question, 2017. After dividing 2017, we get, after dividing 2017 by 4, we get remainder as a 1. So that if remainder is 1, just add 6 into it. So the 2017 plus 6 is a 2023. So that 2023 and 2017 is a same calendar. There is one approach, there is one more approach to find out the same year. We will see with this example, 2017. From 2017, 2018, 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23. What is another approach? Just find out the odd days. 2017 to 2018 means this in 2017 there is one odd day. In 18 there is a 1, as it is normal year. Normal year has one odd day. 19 1. In 20 2. In 21 1. In 22 again 1. So that what is our approach? This addition need to be 7, 14, 21 or 28. If addition is 7, then that next year where addition is 7, that next year is a same year. 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. So that here it comes addition 7. So that 2023 is the same year as a 2017. This is also one important approach to solve question of repetition of the any calendar year. ठीक है.